Right, testing 1, 2. Okay, I think we're good. Oh, look at us. We got a big forehead. I don't know what I'm supposed to do, but I think I'm supposed to go to the... Oh, it opened. Oh my god! It's not even my birthday! That's the only time when I get gifts. Yay. I'm gonna look around my house. You never know what could be over there. This wood bottom. Anyway, where do I take this? Oh, there we go. I like how it just sets up itself. Oh no. Ooh, weapons. Oh, that's not good. That's not good. Anyways, I live in America. I need all the weapons. I need them all. Hooray, weapons. Anyways. Wait a minute, I'm baller now. Anyways. Ooh, I could fight people. Bro, can I check the closets? Oh, I'm tired. Okay, I'll sleep. Anyways. Bro, how do I sleep? Oh, there we go. Oh, I don't like that. What do I do? Oh, I don't like this. Oh no. You know what? It's fine. It's fine. We're all good. We're all good. There's nothing gonna be in here. Oh, yay, we're safe. Hooray. Day 2. Sorry, I broke my mic. I'm joking. I didn't break my mic. No packages. That's depressing. Time to get on my computer and find hot babes. Oh, we can chat now. That's cool. Gun. I'm an American. I need a gun to protect myself. Gun rights. Gun rights. Yeah. Oh god. Alright. I gotta go get my gun. As a fellow American, I gotta get my gun. What actually colors things? I never knew that. Bruh. What do I do now? I'm actually kind of bored. And it's not saying that I'm tired, so I can't, like, go to the next... Oh. What a coincidence. Anyways, time to go to bed. Day 3. Wait, I'm not waking up at night again? Sick. The CPS lady said that she would be here. Wait, why do I have more storage? Oh, that's good. Wait, no, that's not good, actually. No, never mind. My Discord kitten isn't texting me. I miss him. Anyways, hang on. I gotta go get my weapons as a fellow American. Yummy weapons. Wait, no, I don't have enough room. What does this do? Oh, this way? Oh, this way? Where is this way? Whatever, this is pointless. But can I pick this up? Oh, I can. What? Bruh, I was there for like 3 minutes, just sitting there. But my sword got here. I'm glad. You know, I'm probably gonna wait here for like another hour. Oh, now you decide to show up, huh? Now you just well, finally checked it. Now I could go back to what? Oh my god. I am tired, apparently. Oh no. Wait, is that my Discord kitten? Oh, that's not my Discord kitten. That's not my Discord kitten. Apparently it's the next day and I'm gonna check if they texted back. Nope, they didn't text back. Ooh, I want that. Beans, yes. Hooray. I'm still worried about that. I'm still worried about this. Oh! Safety first, kids. Open. Oh! Bruh. It's not opening. Oh. There we go. Now we got a lifetime supply. Well, that's fine. Now what do I do? I don't know what to do. It's not... What the... What's that noise? What the heck? What? Hey! Get off my property! Get out of here! Leave! Go back in the hole you came out of. Open! Oh, now I don't know what to do. Finally it says it, even though it's been like 3 seconds, but that's... Don't ignore that. Sleep. Sleep you... Oh, okay. Oh. Oh. Hello? Are there any ghosts? God. Oh, wait. Oh, no. I have to check the closets. No. There's gotta be somebody in the closets. Oh. No, it's the other one. I need to check the other one. No. No!
Get it going.
Back at it again, unfortunately. Bruh. I'm gonna check the store and stuff. Oh. Sure do love ominous black squares. Wait, why is there a plank in... Oh, I know what we're gonna do. Can I put this away? Can I put this away? I can't put this away. Oh, there we go. Okay. Now we're gonna board up the windows with this goofy boarding up sound. I'm tired. Okay, now, I don't have a good feeling about this, so I'm just gonna play Unisana's Moments. No, wait, no, I'm not gonna do that. I'm not scared of you. Oh, yes, I am. Oh. Okay, I won't make a sound. Bro. Now I gotta check my closets. So I need to keep quiet. Okay. I can stay calm. I'm not calm. Okay, I checked all the closets. So nothing happens, you know? Going back to my room. No! No, 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 I hate these. No. I'm watching Unisana's clips. I don't care what this thing has to say. I absolutely hate these so much.
That you say when you just kind of want to.
Bruh. Oh. Wait a minute. Oh yes. As an American, I need to fight people. Our timbers are being shivered.
Anything at all?
Our timbers are being shivered.
My life recently.
Jim, what are you doing?
You're really having a great time.
Jim, no.